In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up the navigation menus in Paramount theme. Paramount has 3 built-in locations for custom menus. The primary menu opens and closes when you click the menu button in the header. The footer menu is displayed as a horizontal bar in the top part of the website's footer. The footer copyright menu is displayed in the bottom right corner of the website. All 3 of these menus can be created and set up on the Menus page in the Appearance section. First, you have to create a new menu or edit an existing one. Add all the pages, posts, and custom links that you want and save the menu to the desired location. The primary menu has support for expandable submenus. You can nest subpages under top-level pages. Please watch the video linked above if you would like to learn more about custom menus in WordPress. You can contact our support team if you need help setting up one of our themes. For an additional fee, we provide a quick and professional setup package. For more details, you can contact our support team before or after you buy one of our themes.